Empire Gang, Kawaii Boy, Gothic Princess shit. This is like my 100,000 take. Like actually. Oh, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. They're not gonna lock me up. They just can't. I was at the protest, had the flanked it, and I just smoked it. I just smoked it like a blunt. American spirits and it's all that's in my lungs. I don't give a fuck, it's a First Amendment. I'm a patriotic boy, so don't be offended. Yeah, I said don't be offended. Nah, wait, hold up, you can get offended. I don't give a shit, you can get offended. This my First Amendment, and if you offended, then you just gonna have to deal with it. Or sit with it. I don't give a shit, I'm a tonsor boy, patriotic boy. I got deep pockets for them lawyer boys. And if you lie me up, then I'm gonna make a lot of noise. A lot of noise, and no, I don't play with toys. I just use my speech and expression. Try to put me in them chains. Now I'm rocking 2 chains. Shawty's ain't know my name. Now they know my name. Try to give me 1 year desecration. Told me Supreme Court my destination. Had to flip the script, I'm a rule breaker. I'm a 2-taker if you step to me. Burned the flag right in front of you. And I said fuck Reagan, well I can too. Cause it's a First Amendment, I can do this shit. You gon' have to say, boy, don't be offended. Even if you did, I don't do nothing about it. Cause that's the whole point, boy, it's symbolic. Real American, boy, I know all my rights. So I had to flip the script and took it to Supreme Court with my lawyer boys. With my lawyer boys and my gang, I can leave it out, I'm like my man, miss. I got knowledge, boy, I'm a country boy, but I just know shit. When I burn it, I didn't even have to say it. Cause that's expression, I can do that shit anytime that I want. I'm a real time Sawyer boy, country boy, and I'm the baddest bitch, that's why I'm in these cuffs.
I guess it's like 4 a.m. No, it's like 5 a.m. I'm not trying to be that guy, but I freestyled the whole song on Bad Lab. Like, not to flex, but so now I can't show you the lyrics, but I'll explain them, kind of. So the setting's country because it happened in Texas, so just trying to be a little country boy, you feel me? And then I start the song by saying, you know, like I just lit the flag like a blunt because, you know, it's smoking, but I don't do that, I'm just saying. And then we go on to, what else did I say? I said, they can't lock me up because in the end, you know, he didn't get locked up for what he was charged for, which was flag, desecration. But, and then throughout the song I say, you know, I don't care if I offend you, because that's one of the main points for like the takeaways of this court case is because in the end, it kind of shows the importance of free speech because, you know, the reason it didn't matter is because it was like expression, but it offended people. And the importance of free speech is to like let things happen or like let things be spoken or expressed even if they offend people to, you know, allow these ideas of the minority, which is like what America's built on. And then yeah, just the song is talk about like how he's charged for desecration and how he beat the case. He changed the rules. I was saying that they try to this was hard in my opinion. I said try to put me in chains. Now I got 2 chains saying like he made it, even though he didn't really make it, but like he's like monumental kind of like he made history, so I guess he didn't make it. Like they do remember his name now, right? Johnson. And then what else did I say? I guess that's mostly it. It's just I just talking about like there's just like playing with the words, just get that point across. And like having deep pockets for the lawyers, even though I don't even know if he really needed that much money for the lawyers, but yeah, he went to the Supreme Court. He flipped the script, because he literally did. He flipped the script. Because They were trying to charge him, and then they were like, oh, fuck. That's how it works. They can't do that. And, yeah,